Welcome back guys with a brand new video, and in this video we will discuss about the DIAC and TRIAC dimmers. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is dimming? Dimming is the process of adjusting, you can say, the brightness of a light source, and it plays a significant role in creating ambience and saving energies. And if we move towards the introduction to DIAC and TRIAC, till that time you also look at the brightness or dimming of this light bulb. I have increased the simulation and current speed to show you the variations, and we will also look after the dimming process of this light bulb or energy source also. And if we go towards the introductions of a DIAC and TRIAC are electronic components used in dimmer circuits. The DIAC acts as a trigger device for the TRIAC, allowing it to control the power supply to the light source. If you will see by according to the introductions that this one will be our DIAC and this one will be our TRIAC. And you can easily understand by the paths of that. Here we have the two paths, then it is a DIAC, and here we have three paths, then it is a TRIAC. And if we move that how it works, when voltage across the DIAC reaches a certain threshold value, or you can say when this capacitor is charged, then it triggers the TRIAC to conduct electricity. When once this capacitor is charged, it allows the circuitry to become, or this diode to become the forward bias, and it's moved towards and light this bulb to be act as a dimmer. This controlled conduction allows us to regulate the power flow to the light, thus controlling its brightness. And as you can see here, let me hide the phase control also. You can see here that the brightness of the energy source or is changing because of the phase controls, and at times comes when it becomes red, you can say, due to the heat also, as it's moving towards that. And if we talk about the advantages of a DIAC and TRIAC dimmer, these dimmers are highly efficient and capable of handling various types of loads. They provide smooth and flicker-free dimming, ensuring a comfortable lighting experience, as it's also used in the LEDs strips as a flasher application and usage. If we discuss further, DIAC and TRIAC dimmers are commonly used in residential and commercial settings, offering flexibility in adjusting light levels in different spaces, and it's depending upon the control of the phase. And what is the installation and safety tips regarding to the DIAC and TRIAC? As you can see here, the brightness of this energy source, that it's becoming too much red, that it's looking like as a black. It's all due to the phase controls. And if we slow out the speed of simulations and current and also of the phase control, then you will see that after some times it becomes slow, and the brightness will be again change, instead of, but it takes some time because of the heat. And here you can also check the graph. If you will see that, so what's happening here, we also add a new scope to here, that this is what is acting on the diet and what is doing on that triad. And as we discussing about installations and safety tips, proper installation is crucial for optimal performance and safety. Always follow manufacturer instructions and ensure compatibility with the lightning features used. And if we move towards some demonstrations, as you can see here, a practical demonstration of a TRIAC dimmer in action here, adjusting the brightness of a light source to showcase its functionality. And what we have concluded from all this, that Wrapping up, DIAC dimmers are essential components in modern lighting systems, providing precise control over brightness while maintaining efficiency and comfort. And if we if we discuss about that how we have to design, you can see here that here, because the grounds are automatically connected here, we have a source here, and here as how we have a electronic, you can see, energy source or bulb, and here we have the resistors. Resistors now depend upon the phase controls that, and if I slow down the phase controls, you can see here the resistance values changed. And here we are using these double diodes, and one is connected like this, which is act as a DIAC, and the second one will be connected like this, which one act as a TRIAC. And here we choose a capacitor of 1 UF, and this is the circuit designing for the DIAC TRIAC dimmers. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any pending projects, assignments and quizzes relevant to the electrical and electronics project, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number, and also you can visit my Upwork and Fiverr profiles in any type of assistance in any software relevant to the electrical and electronics. I have 6+ years experience of providing services in the field of electrical and electronics project. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and share the video with your friends. Thank you.